This video, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy coleslaw dressing, and it's just like your classic delicious coleslaw dressing with a little spin on it. And here I am enjoying it on a delicious broccoli slaw. So there's all your ingredients. If you want to pause the screen on that, you can get all those ingredients out. So we're starting with 3/4 cup of vegan mayo. Seems like a lot of mayo, but it actually tastes super good. And then we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. So this is what I use to substitute instead of sugar, and it tastes so delicious, and that's just gives it a little bit more of a unique flavor. So I'm going to make sure I get all of that out with my spatula that I have here. And then next up, I'm going to put in my vinegar. So I've got a tablespoon of white wine vinegar here, but you can totally use apple cider vinegar, or even red wine vinegar works as well. So I'm just going to dump that in for a little bit of acidity. I'm going to put salt and pepper to taste. Now, it looks like I'm using a ton of salt here, but my salt shaper was just kind of at the very bottom and a little bit clogged up. So I'm just trying to get a little bit of salt out there. And I like to use a ton of fresh ground black pepper. And that's what sort of adds a little bit of a spice, a little bit of a kick to this, is just from adding a ton of fresh ground black pepper. So I like to add a lot, but you can add it to your own tastes. And then I'm going to put in a teaspoon of lemon juice, so you can just use it from the jar. You can use a piece of fresh lemon, which I always prefer if I have it on hand. So I'm just going to squeeze out that little end of a lemon. It should be around a teaspoon there. I'm just going to put that in. Yeah, like I said, if you do have a lemon in the house, you only need a tiny little piece off of it for this, and I do honestly think that it improves the flavor by using fresh lemon. If you don't have it, that's totally okay. It is still delicious using the lemon juice out of the container as well. So just ignore those other ingredients I have on the side. Those are for my broccoli slaw, but that is everything that we're going to be putting into this coleslaw dressing. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up. I want more black pepper. I love black pepper. And just like that, we have our delicious homemade vegan creamy coleslaw dressing. So this can be used on any slaw. In this case, I'm using it on a broccoli salad. It's kind of like a broccoli slaw. You can use it on a coleslaw. You can really use it on anything, and you can put that in your fridge. It'll thicken up a little bit in the fridge, and you can leave that in there for up to a week. So you can use this on different salad dressings and different things. And there you have it. And this is so fast and easy to make, and homemade is always better. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to attach the link there as well for that broccoli salad if you guys want to try that out. And if you liked this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.